Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off text notifications on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the Notifications settings. Here, find and tap on the Messages option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to Allow Notifications option and turn off the text notifications on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn off text notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.